Hey there, business owners and nonprofit leaders. Welcome back to our Cybersecurity Awareness Month educational series. I'm Randall Martinez, Vice President of Technical Services at IT Pros Management Group. And today we're going to tackle a serious threat, ransomware. Ransomware attacks are on the rise, and they can cripple your business in an instant. Did you know that in 2025, ransomware attacks are expected to cost businesses over $20 billion? And here's another alarming stat. 71% of ransomware attacks target small businesses. And get this, 92% of malware is delivered via email. It's a growing threat, but with the right knowledge, you can protect your business. But don't worry, we're here to help prevent these attacks. As a U.S. Army veteran, I learned the importance of being prepared for any threat. In the military, we have contingency plans for every scenario. The same principle applies to ransomware prevention. Just like in the military, your business needs to be prepared and proactive. Here are some tips to help you prevent ransomware attacks. First, regularly back up your data and store it offline. This ensures you can recover your information without paying a ransom. Second, keep your software and systems up to date. Patching vulnerabilities can prevent attackers from exploiting them. And third, educate your employees. Regular training can help them avoid phishing emails that deliver ransomware. No matter the size or industry of your business, implementing these simple steps can make a big difference. And guess what? We're offering a complimentary cybersecurity strategy session to help you get started. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link below to schedule your session with me, so you can discuss your cybersecurity situation. Go ahead and schedule today, and let's make your business ransomware proof. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks throughout Cybersecurity Awareness Month. And remember, with IT Pros Management, you can relax. IT is covered.